but for the recipe we needed like 3 to 4 mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes, right? So let's get started. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing something very exciting because it's something I have never done before, and that is baking. Last time I baked, I was 13 years old and I was doing a plum cake, which was kind of successful because my older sister loved them and she would sometimes ask me to do it for her, but that's not the point. Today I'm doing something super exciting, and that's banana bread. The only reason why I'm doing it is because I have 2 very ripe bananas. So here's the thing, online it was written that I need 3 to 4 ripe bananas. I only have 2 ripe bananas, and I'm doing this banana bread because I have ripe bananas. So the only reason why I'm doing banana bread is because I have ripe bananas, but I do not have enough ripe bananas. So I ended up doing half a recipe because I only have 2 ripe bananas. Anyway, so here are my ingredients. I have 2 ripe bananas. I have a cup of flour with 1/4 of a spoon of baking soda and half of a 1/4 of a spoon of salt, half of a 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup of butter. I have some chocolate chips, 1 egg, and vanilla extract. I'm gonna start by mashing the butter and mixing it with the brown sugar. The butter should be a room temperature, kind of a room temperature, so I'm just gonna start by mashing it with my fork. By the way, I also have 2 empty bowls. This one is the one I should have started by putting the butter and the brown sugar in. Do you think if I put these in the microwave, it's gonna mix better? Yeah, by the way, the reason why I'm a terrible cook is because I never follow the instructions. Now I have to mash my potatoes. No, I'm kidding. I have to mash my bananas. They're saying that banana is actually good for fighting COVID-19, but then again, this could be a lie, and bananas could actually be bad for COVID-19. They could be the reason why. They could, like, encourage the virus to invade your body, and they could just be saying that so that more people have COVID-19, so that the pandemic gets bigger and people end up paying more for the vaccine. I'm very suspicious about everything, by the way, and I love conspiracy theories. When I was younger, like in Lebanon, we used to do that thing of like mashed bananas. We used to put it in a pita bread and like add sugar on top, and then we would eat like mashed bananas with sugar sandwich. It would taste good, but like wasn't the healthiest thing to eat. Oh my god, this is actually starting to work. Look at this. I'm starting to have like a well-mixed recipe. This is fun. Okay, now we have to add the flour. I don't know what I should add first, if it's the flour or the egg, but I'm just gonna add the flour, and then I'm gonna add the egg. Okay, this doesn't look so bad. You have to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. The only times I have used the oven in my life was to do a pre-done pizza and pre-done chicken nuggets. Oops! Okay, this is better than I thought it would be because honestly, when I didn't see any milk or water in the recipe, I thought that the mixture was gonna be, like dense, like hard, but it's actually very smooth. Okay, now I think it's a good time to add an egg. I'm just gonna get another fork to mix the egg. By the way, I don't know how to like break an egg on like a surface, so I always break an egg with a knife, which whenever people see me do that, they always end up laughing at me, but like, this is who I am, guys. I'm gonna wash my hands. Anyway, and now you pour it into the mixture. So I still haven't used the whisk. I'm doing all of that by only using a fork. So yeah, improvise, adapt, overcome. Okay, I think adding the egg at the end was a bad idea because now it's not mixing with everything. Oh my god, this is such a workout. We're good, we have a good batter now. Okay, I'm gonna add the vanilla extract now. I'm gonna add half of a teaspoon. Oh my god, it smells so nice. I think I put a lot, but whatever. Who doesn't like vanilla, right? So that's for the vanilla extract. Now we're gonna mix it again. And I'm gonna add chocolate chips cookies. Chocolate chips cookies. I'm gonna add chocolate chips. And add more. Some more. Wow, I'm really surprised with the result of the batter mix because it's actually well mixed and I didn't even use a whisk. I only used a fork, so I'm kind of proud of myself. Now I'm gonna go get something to put it in. Okay, I got now this utensil. I don't know what it's called. I know in French it's a spatule. Oh, it's a spatula. Spatula. How do you pronounce that? Anyway, so I got this. I'm gonna pour my thing inside of... What am I saying? I'm gonna pour my mixture inside of the container. And we're gonna see what we're gonna get. Okay, I'm very excited. I'm gonna put it in the oven for I don't know how long. I'm gonna check. Okay, so it's currently 9 p.m. I have to put it in the oven for 60 to 65 minutes. And yeah, I'm gonna come back and see you at 10 to tell you how it turned out. I didn't realize how late it is, but yeah. See you. Okay guys, so it's midnight and I'm not really hungry, but the banana bread is done. It's here. It's so cute, it's so small, and it's still a bit warm. I burnt it a bit, by the way. I think since when I did half a recipe, next time I would bake it for maybe 50 minutes instead of an hour and 5 minutes. Ooh my god. Yeah, I added too much chocolate chips. So this is how it looks like on the inside. I don't know if you can see it. Whoa. I'm gonna try it. I have it in a plate. Let's see. Yeah, it was a bit burnt. The fact that it's burnt, it's a bit hard, like the cover of it is a bit hard to cut. It's still also hot, so I wouldn't be this hard on myself. It's a bit dry. It's dry. But besides that, I actually think I did well. I'm gonna have a bite of only the inside without the hard burnt outside. Yeah, it's good. Tastes like a banana bread with a bit of crunch. I'm proud of myself. So that's that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it's gonna help you do banana bread. I hope it's gonna motivate you to do something during this quarantine. I think everybody is cooking anyway. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me if you'd like me to cook something else. As I told you, I'm not a baker, I'm not a cooker. I'm not a baker, I'm not a cook. But I kind of wonder if there is like an avocado bread thing, because I have a ripe avocado over here, and yeah, do we have such things as avocado bread? I think if you have ripe avocados, you would do guacamole with them, so yeah. I should go to sleep.